Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is covering general pharmaceutical services in England. So we've got 21 tables, 6,000 rows, data going back to March 2014. Let's have a look what we have in the tables. So it's Gen Pharma Services, here we go. Just have a look at a couple of them. Number of pharmacies by attribute. So you've got attribute, count, and the date. What else we got? Activity items and cost. Different types of measures there and total money. Pick another one. Contractors by ICB, Integrated Care Board. So you've got the different care boards, measures and counts and dates, and 20 odd tables there. So if you want to play with all that, follow the link in the description and you get 30 days free trial access. Thank you very much.